Alright, I have a 2017 Kia Sportage, and we're going to be replacing the headlamp assembly with the new headlamp. So let's get into it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead, press this tab here in and pull away. Take a 10mm socket with an extension and loosen this front bumper cover. I'm also going to take a Phillips screwdriver and remove this screw here. I know what you're thinking. How did that screw get in there? I couldn't tell you, but this is my first time working on this vehicle, and the customer really wanted the headlight replaced. Now I am just trying my best to do what I can by going over someone else's work, whoever put that screw in there. Okay. I'm gonna come to the top here. Also remove this screw. Now it turns out that this screw really wasn't holding anything in place, so this headlight was basically held on with pressure. Pretty much free. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wiggle it free, and it came free. Now remember, there are gonna be tabs here and there. Now these tabs are broken, but just be mindful of that. They're gonna go here, slide under there, and there should have been one to slide under here. Okay, we have the new headlight here. Now sometimes certain pieces won't come on it, so you're gonna have to put them on. So we're gonna go ahead and place this piece on. There are 2 screws that hold it in place. Let's go ahead and start one. And let's start the other one. And if you haven't already, there's also another piece right here that the bracket slides into at the bottom that I went ahead and screwed in with those 3 bolts, those 3 screws. Now we're gonna go back in with it. All right, I'm gonna take a 13mm and remove this bolt here. That's actually a 12. All right, I'm gonna take a 12mm. And remove this bolt here. All right. Be sure when going back in to get that coupling, that tab right here hooked under here. And if there was another one here, we make sure that rear of this one also, cuffed down onto it. So let's go ahead. And you may have to pull this cover back on. So here I'm tussling to get the headlight in correctly, and it's not really working at all. Brackets are broken, upper core support that latches to the headlight is broken, and on top of that, my phone overheats in this heat wave. So I had a seasoned veteran come tap the core support forward where the finger is, and the headlight was able to go in. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it back up. Should hear a click. We got our screw back in here. And we got our screw back in up here. That's how you somewhat replace the headlight on a 2018 Sportage.